Hello and welcome back to the English Learners Podcast. Your space to listen, repeat, shadow, and grow your English naturally. Dear English learners, you showed up yesterday, and that means you are serious about growing. And today, day 2, we're going to build on that momentum. Remember, shadowing is simple: listen, repeat, copy my rhythm, my sounds, my energy. Don't worry about mistakes, don't worry about perfection. Just speak with me, and enjoy the process. Take a deep breath, sit tall, smile. Let's begin day 2 of your 10-day shadowing challenge. Set 1, positive affirmations. I am ready to learn today. I am ready to learn today. I feel confident when I speak. I feel confident when I speak. I grow stronger with every word I say. I grow stronger with every word I say. I enjoy practicing English every day. I enjoy practicing English every day. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. Clapping hands. That's 5 already, great job. Set 2, daily life sentences. I start my morning with a smile. I start my morning with a smile. I drink water and feel refreshed. I drink water and feel refreshed. I enjoy talking to people around me. I enjoy talking to people around me. I practice English while I walk outside. I practice English while I walk outside. I finish my day with gratitude. I finish my day with gratitude. Clapping hands. That's 10 sentences, well done. Set 3, growth and confidence. English is becoming natural for me. English is becoming natural for me. I share my thoughts with ease. I share my thoughts with ease. I stay calm when I speak. I stay calm when I speak. My voice grows clear and confident. My voice grows clear and confident. I believe in my ability to succeed. I believe in my ability to succeed. Clapping hands. Fantastic, that's 15. Set 4, real life situations. Could you help me, please? Could you help me, please? I would like some water, please. I would like some water, please. I'm sorry, could you repeat that? I'm sorry. Could you repeat that? That's a wonderful idea. That's a wonderful idea. I'm learning English every day. I'm learning English every day. Clapping hands. Brilliant. 20 sentences done. Wrap up. Look at you. 20 sentences spoken with energy and confidence. This is real practice, and every time you repeat with me, your English grows stronger. Remember this: confidence comes from action, and you are taking action today. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. This was day 2 of your 10-day shadowing challenge. Tomorrow in day 3, we'll practice even more powerful sentences together. Until then, stay positive, stay confident, and keep speaking out loud. Waving hand.